Little storyteller.
Unit 8 was a very helpful robot. It had shiny blue metal arms and big, friendly green eyes. Its job was to look after the flowers in the sunny meadow greenhouse. The greenhouse was a bright, glass building filled with colorful flowers of all shapes and sizes. Unit 8 loved all the flowers, but its favorite was a very special rose bush. This rose bush had won a prize for its beautiful, bright red roses. The roses were so velvety and smelled so sweet. Unit 8 polished its leaves every morning with a soft cloth. One sunny afternoon, something very surprising happened. The prize-winning rose bush started to wiggle. Then two sturdy green roots grew out from the bottom of its pot. These roots looked just like little legs. Slowly the rose bush stood up and started to walk. "Oh my circuits!" exclaimed Unit 8. The rose bush was walking right out of the greenhouse. Unit 8 knew it had to gently bring the rose bush back. It zoomed after the runaway plant. The rose bush wandered into the sunny meadow, where a fluffy white bunny with twitching pink nose was nibbling on clover. The bunny looked up in surprise as the walking rose bush went by. Unit 8 extended a special gadget from its arm, a gentle water sprayer. It sprayed a soft mist of water in front of the rose bush, trying to guide it in the right direction. The rose bush seemed to enjoy the cool spray. The rose bush then walked towards a sparkling blue river. Little fish with shiny scales swam happily in the clear water. Unit 8 knew the rose bush didn't like getting its roots too wet. Unit 8 used another gadget, a small whirring fan, to gently blow a breeze towards the greenhouse. The rose bush turned its flower towards the gentle wind and slowly started walking back. Finally, the rose bush was back inside the sunny meadow greenhouse. Its root legs wiggled one last time before disappearing back into the pot. Unit 8 gently patted the soil around the rose bush. The rose bush seemed happy to be home. Its bright red roses glowed in the sunlight. Unit 8 learned that even though the rose bush wanted to explore, it was important for it to stay in the greenhouse where it could get the best care. Just like the rose bush needs sunshine and water in the greenhouse, we all need a safe and comfortable place to grow and be happy.
Please subscribe. Thank you.